very very deep way. Tutikauga nitwaita irabu. Johi ne citwa irabu-ini. So what? There are still more things to do with this addiction.
Bernard, started this initiative. What do you think about
it? Let me say something that might get me in a lot of trouble. Nakada was formed in
houses there advertise how tutapigana na hii pombe. Nitokaerwo ginya thukuru gukorwo kwina ona nigo tukoragia na murata wako gukorwo tari syllabus irehetwo about addiction. No kugaga ati njohi yitu they will be coming with other ideas. Umenya ideas ici tiagaga. Ona no kuwe kabagi na kena munyonyi we uthiete barabara ukahe mundu no kamwira ni aje mundu aranywa ginya kinya haha ni 50. Bado addiction niko. But the prevention and awareness. Second, ni andu magaikaraga thi. Me I always tell ni ngoragwo na initiative yako ya men na ni hindiria maybe don't off kana hindiria ona itarari kundu they continue sana vani. I talk to men. Kaikara thika mrodia leo tunataka kubonge nini kuhusu addiction. I go to towns adu muno ni magumiro ni thina uyu. Na tukaria no kona mundu maundu maria turaria, it is not those people who sell. It is the problem that these people have. Mundu uyu aniagite ginya mundu wa kwaria. There is this kuri agena depression. Kuri mundu gena thina ena stress. Kuri mundu ana hao ya kuka. Arakuria atiri tani ugia njuririe hindi ndari ndikina addiction njuririe atiri. Dige njohi ingia kwirire atiri dige njohi ati na ndirakoma haria baranda-ini handu hena heho na hindi yo ndanyuaga niguo nginya ndairie ndina cio ri ndanyua handu cindiri cirio cikome koguo ni ndarigagwo we uranjira ndige ati na ndirakoma heho-ini. So this thing has to be looked in a very very deep way. Tutikauga nitwaita irabu njohi ni citwa irabu-ini. So what? There are still more things to do with this addiction.
Bernard, started this initiative. What do you think about it?
Let me say something that might get me in a lot of trouble. Nakada was formed in 2002. Basically, Nakada Gevode Koi, we are in a very good agenda to create awareness on drugs and substance abuse. Kuma 2002 to 2024, how many years are those? 20? From 2002 to 2022 years. 22 years. And every year, actually, hatujaishinda war on drugs. Every year, actually, tunasimama tunasema congratulations drugs for winning the war against drugs. Why? And this is now Bena. And this is will get me the truth.
I go to towns adu muno ni magumiro ni thina uyu na tukaria no kona mundu maundu maria turaria. It is not those people who sell. It is the problem that these people have. Mundu uyu aniagite ginya mundu wa kwaria. There is this kuri agena depression. Kuri mundu gena thina ena stress. Kuri mundu ana hao ya kuka. Arakuria atiri tani ugia njuririe hindi ndari ndikina addiction njuririe atiri dige njohi ingia kwirire atiri dige njohi ati na ndirakoma haria baranda-ini handu hena heho na hindi yo ndanyuaga niguo nginya ndairie ndina cio ri ndanyua handu cindiri cirio cikome koguo ni ndarigagwo we uranjira ndige ati na ndirakoma heho-ini. So this thing has to be looked in a very very deep way. Tutikauga nitwaita irabu njohi ni citwa irabu-ini. So what? There are still more things to do with this addiction.
Bernard, started this initiative. What do you think about it?
Let me say something that might get me in a lot of trouble. Nakada was formed in 2002. Basically, Nakada Gevode Koi, we are in a very good agenda to create awareness on drugs and substance abuse. Kuma 2002 to 2024, how many years are those? 20? From 2002 to 2022 years. 22 years. And every year, actually, hatujaishinda war on drugs. Every year, actually, tunasimama tunasema congratulations drugs for winning the war against drugs. Why? And this is now Bena. and this is will get me the truth, the unpopular opinion.
Your opinion now.
That people are not ready to hear. I think the problem is how we are fighting this war. One, kwe alemorapega, kuna vitu zinaitangwa knee-jerk reactions. Itura riri andu madunywa njohi more maizo. Thirikari igwita kila thirikari haha magaita njohi. No matikuyuria atiriri, how have we helped that person who is drinking before we even label him as an addict?
Yeah.
How about this time around? Wamekuja na very good strategies. Lakini mimi nitawaambia one thing. Let us humanize addiction. And this is what I mean. To humanizing addiction. How about we look at it from a different perspective? How about tuiangalie as a health issue? Go Google what Portugal did. It is the only country in the world that may decriminalize drugs. All drugs are legal. And on Google where they did it. Initiative of thirikari yokanayo ndigakorwo ni knee-jerk reaction ya guita njohi asa. How about we have 47 counties, one rehab, hata kama ni communal rehab per county. Tukuwe na something that can be sustained. Lakini a lot of people in authority, sitaki kutaja na kada, nimesema in authority, just look at how they conduct this awareness in forums. Know what is happening on the ground. All we know is about statistics and research. Lakini we really need to fight this war from a different angle.
Ken, boy child. Neo mapoteti na jirani this means of drug. Boy child ni haiti.
Boy child kidu kiria kwe kirore. Kweli lo girl child. If you educate a girl child, you educate something in the world. Boy child agasoka kerwa tiriri. A boy child should not cry. Mudrume dalilaba. No igwa. Mudrume mauduma more than maumagira. Waigwa victim. People who are victims are women.
Yes.
Mudrume da isidage na muduma geikara nake uyo mera ne story akuhe story akwire napitia hii na hii na hii. Mudurume maundu maria arahetukira gukunja ni maritu ta kindu kingi. Akaguthwo ni thirikari na akaguthwo ni society. Mudurume uyu ri kindu kingi ri areciria ri wakorwo ti kunywa njohi maisha imekuwa ngumu no mukanda oyaga. Mudurume tha ici kire ni ndirona priority ria kiheo. Wacheni wanaume wajiongee. Wacheni wanaume wafungue roho. Tuongee issues zetu. Thaici na ninge boy child aria mekuria jari ni ndikomakua na ndikwaria na uru tutika waste mathaa maingi niguo tutigakorwo twi victims muno kwa mathaa maingi tukiaria politics 4 hours where we will never change this politics. Mathaa maingi mundu akiria muguka na agitumira drugs ingi a lot of time na you will never change this thing. It is about time that men sit down and talk. Tondu thaici ukikorwo kuria mundume thaici ena maundu maingi muno arenda kwaria no ndaramenya no wakwira na arora mundu uria bataire guthie kwira is not a mundu confident no arora atumia mathie salon thaici mathie akwaria issues ciao mathie chamas mathie akwaria issues ciao ithu andu arumeri nitwetigagira tondu ndoka gukwira thina wako utabeba utanibeba ndogo na nikuona tadire yanika. But it is high time that on a many do issues ici twina cio thiini ngoro citu ri tukoragwo na platform where we can talk our problem tukaria mathina maitu niguo tugeka ati tukamaiga thi tondu oria bena ugire the same problem that I'm undergoing. It is the same problem that mundu uria we addiction kana mundu is taking around and go. But the time kwina handu tithia tugacemania na andu arume over Saturdays etagwo twathia etagwo manina koragwo rejuice ugaikara thio kaigwa mundurume uyu na Range Rover na V8 no athikiriria thina wake gikona na nindire kindu ri na thina ugiite kwika atia by the time murio mahari ari uromo thereirwo ngoro geka atia ugakira. But let me tell you men, you are supposed to cry because sorrows ici twina cio ri not tokurira na maithori. You are supposed to cry. You need a shoulder no need mundu agukwira man go mundu wa support morally
Yes.
na mundu wa kwaria nake niguo wione wi mundu
Bena ya mtoeti the boy child ni onekanite gukoro muraho
one utiri handu mundu umeaje kana ake
yes
it's all about the belief system and how you grew up nigo waro wa kurira anema as a man ni growing up you what really
mwanaume fai kulia
fai kulia lakini kama hafai kulia mbona Mungu akakuweka machozi si angetoa so it's all about the belief system and how you are brought up because the same issues you are facing
yes
either we model omega na do model sometimes is how you carry it yani gojiga because no the meetings no jikare ana etwali lakini at the end of the day the issue is ona andu aria tuigaga ore na mundu umere kara maisha mega muno ona kena maundu make so this is what I always say as a man first of all embrace yourself as a man two know that it does not get easier by the fact that you just talked na andu ingi mona gatiriri takwaria as person gutaithagia ndirarega lakini sometimes whatever it is that you are carrying maybe ni mzito because of the way you are carrying it learn how to carry whatever it is that you are carrying nona ona mutungi ukiigirira kiande no kuera mwoko there's a difference so this is a question that I pose to all men out there whatever it is that you are going through how are you carrying it because it might not be that heavy but maybe to you do areri hari ora kuwa maundu macio
good in your lifetime re na negukatokete gutweketie ni mukinyite handu mukona ati kana ni mwagerete njira fulani ro mukona this is not the way and you decided to make a U-turn na ni mukite work ahead and you thank God for that no mutura ni etiriri as you do your counseling with a Ken one of the message area wedagiria mundu we get into addiction
kitu kia mbere ni ngika counseling yako nyendaga umenye kwanza you are a man now and you are a conqueror
yes
and whatever you are undergoing it is not permanent talk to me tell me your issues I am the only man I think I'm the only person who can see you naked
yes
kuona jaga yako na juge dilidona jaga yako dina yokafuni kitu kia mbere gutwe mundu mumeina tuikare tuone thina uyu haria umerire
yes
tuhihinye iho haria tuhihinye kinya haria muthia piyo tucoke nyingi twaje kuhona tuhonia mentally emotionally and physical niguo tuhote kumenya na riu toma haria maya mothe twahetukire uguo twoka turikitie uguo niguo self esteem yaku ya battery na tukiuma hau ri twaje ku rebuild maria tugaga picking the broken pieces but imataga how are we going to pick up those broken pieces dunia ate tukwaje kushiri connect kwa hivyo ni jugaga kutembea nawe kwa recovery ni long term ni daje gutwika murata wako muthi ti twaje recovery nawe ti ate ni rucio ti ate ni mwaka uyu ginya haria kanjira riu ni Kenya ndirona taingitwara
aha no joke kiuria ke una kiuria ugithii thibitari ndagitari athondekaga murimu kana athondekaga murwaru
athondeka murimu no murimu ina murwaru it's a 50-50
so the organization that we hope is on counseling services and basically principle that tutumagira ni people are not the problem it is the problem which is the problem bitari ogithii thibitari ndagitari athondekaga murwaru nake athi muci agathondeka murimu na nikiwonaga kwandikagira 2 times 3 dawa-ini nonda gubuataga muci kuona gani ukomeria people are not the problem njiraga ndugu it is the problem which is the problem itango externalization and deconstruction basically ni ndaikara thi nawe in the name of helping you mugiraga atiriri one it's not your fault because sometimes it's not about the addict but it is also about the collective culture around the addict ndio ilituma maybe akuwa an addict. Two, I really hate that name, addict, because for a very long time we carry a label that addict belong to me. Because it puts you in a place where you are judged, you are condemned. So me, I tell people it is not your fault. And how you ended up in addiction might have been an accident.
Yes.
But recovery is your responsibility.
It's your responsibility.
It's your responsibility. Niye lego koni hari yogo kinya. No ni yogo kinya.
No make the decision.
Lakini
yes.
At the end of the day, our motto is it is possible.
It is possible.
Good. It is possible. Musheriwe na mwanawe ingirite into addiction to your kurikia. Hediria twamuna na makiria tuna nginya news ni na maundu matiganite aciari icio mena ruo makiuga mwana wako kana aciari ona magethika ciana ciao ungimera atĩa
aciari uri ngimera kindu kia mbere wa mwana waku addiction ndukaje kumukondena
yes
ndukaje kumuhura bara aje kumwelera ote
yes
na tondu waje kumukondena na kumwongera na maundu maingi mundu kwanza kindu kia mbere ni kura ume mucie na uma mucie handu hathia nyihi ni kuongerera koguo umwe embrace no munie ni murimu na waje kumwethera therapist no kaje kumwethera mundu makwaria na niguo I walk through this road atari na guoya ena support system tuga ni muno ndoraga the support system from the mother and the father who walk na mwana oyo through counseling ginya mwana oyo akinye haria pateire eke atia na ningi kwina undu ngendu maugaga atiriri maisha ni make niwe weca gurire macio aca maisha ti make akinyago ni confirmed addict maisha ti make maisha ni ma andu othe manyitane mateithie mwana koguo ariku nikio njugaga thaingi gutwara mwana recovery kana gutwara mwana utakinyitie 30 years muno 18 muno na 19 nigukoragwo na njira igiri niguo ni njugaga there is the hard way and there is the soft way tondu waiga ni the soft way ginya hindi ria ka hit rock bottom kana ginya hindi ria akemenya mundu agacoka kwimenya 35 years ha gatagati athukitie muturire wake handu yothe koguo muciari ndiramwira kwina hope na wona mwana waku don't condemn that child nyita murimu uyu addiction tari mirimu iri ungi yothe uri ungimwena no mutware thibitari ndwaru malaria kana typhoid koguo thaici wa note ena murimu uyu ajia gwetha counseling yote aja gwetha rehabilitation tene no mutware handu ramenya he or she will get the treatment.
Good. Bena hiyo ni wakuni walipo.
Two things, nejora hiyo kiurige kimuno. Muno. Na goli tireri. Mundu hauja ara struggle na addiction ugimwira atia. Now this is what I always say. Instead of telling them something, how about we listen to them? Ona musiari ena mwana in addiction. When was the last time you listened to them? Because ni warakwira kidu both directly and indirectly. Two, addiction is a family disease.
Correct.
Ona musiari wareda ukonde mwana oyo ni muruwaru ta mwana oyo. It's a family disease. The difference is oyo aranywa he is the identified victim. No, it's a family disease. When one member is affected, it affects the whole family. No, they na okagira riri na neho asiari matamenyaga. Now this is very important. Modo ni yare kwa rehabilitation. Ni limitaga platform because that is what it gave me. For 90 days, I may work on himself. No family out there. They went on with their lives like
nothing is happening.
Like they are not sick. Oyo ni yauma sawa no ariara kwa hali ya bado ni arwaru. And that is why ona ukiuria mundu aumete rehabilitation wikia mbere hetu maithora uragona tu ati ona ukiumo sererwo kana thimo yaku ihore maithara ni ucio ni athi kunywa ucio ni athi kunywa kwa kuona ni arwaru kwa kwira cia na ni wagonjwa pia unaona.
Yes.
And for us to like fully embrace recovery, it will take all of us. All of us.
It's one thing.
All of us. Exactly.
Good.
To work on it.
Thank you muno mundu wito bena, thank you muno mundu wito Ken. Ne gwetekera kwa ni biro shinero na totio kana totigyo cio. lightly tukiugetia ni na uguo toiko tukigwa na makiria kumatara mwitu na makiria na we muciari we ho mucini ati muthia ni hari na mwihoko wakorwo gita mwana waku wakorwo ki huthia mwana waku wakorwo kimena mwana waku au na magikorwo makiri kana magirite into drugs kuko ni kwa Muthingi TV na maida mothe ni nawe twacemania nao njite Kariuki Wandu ati ni gukorwo gite